Two-stroke Thursday, boys. Get up in there. You good? You good? 1, 2, 3. So the other day we had to pull the chokes on this thing after riding it for a while, and seemed like it was running low on fuel. And yesterday we turned on the fuel and it pissed fuel everywhere. So we're having a couple carb issues here. One, either we got an air leak or a bad fuel delivery problem. So we're just going to pull the carbs off of it. We're changing the plugs on it, which were nasty. We're going to mix this 32-to-1 Delo, and because it's race gas. This is 110?
Yes.
All right.
Sort of.
Only the best. Plus, it's the fighting chicken, so it needs. It's the horned up goat, so it needs, you know. Got the bowl off already?
Yeah.
Maybe just a jet or two. So we got the carbs off, got the plugs swapped. Seeing what we're dealing with here. And they don't look bad. I wonder if it just didn't like the gas. That Sunoco I put in it.
I don't know. Well, that's stuck.
Yep, stuck in. So half the time it wasn't even getting fuel when you were trying to launch. It ran and idled okay. This jet's, you can see through it, but it ain't clear.
Do you give me some brake cleaner?
Yep. How about carb cleaner?
Yeah.
It's gone. Oh my god. Quadzilla. ASAL. Original plastic. My wife made those graphics. They're freaking as OG as the machine. That's more how it should be, I had one. Damn. So he came to get a Zilla, he came to get a 250R the other day. Seen this. So basically the story goes like this. He came to get a 250R the other day, LT. He's seen this, his old bird went like that. He had to go raise some funds so he could come back and pick up the Zilla. But that's what Two-Stroke Thursdays is all about, you know? Knowing a good deal when you freaking see it. Getting the most bang for your buck. The most holla for your dollar, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I just started it and ran it. Bro, no, I'm like, I didn't hear nothing. I was like, is a mailman outside? I looked and I see Blake, riding the Zilla.
I was flooring it, bro. I was like, damn, dude, this dude's gonna... Oh, hope he doesn't want me to go fast. Because it's so... God dang, I can outrun it right now, bro. And that's...
You didn't get it cleared out? Or?
Bro, did you feel it?
No, I rode it the other day.
Oh, dude.
It needs a carb cleaned, you know what I mean? It's been since we took that video.
That? What'd you tell him? Because he thinks it runs perfect.
It does.
Yeah.
Starts up and get, like, you go get the mail on it. That ain't no thing. I might have killed you. Yeah. Blake just wants to see if he gear fired again. How hard was it for you the first time?
It wasn't too bad. I just figured out that you have to kick it from top dead.
Oh, yeah.
You can't go past it. There's not enough stroke.
And it'll try and get stuck on the peg. It'll clear out eventually. Just tell them it's been sitting.
It's got old gas.
It's
got old gas. It's been sitting. The valves need adjusted. It has the bad valve lash.
It's two-stroke. It's Suzuki.
Look, man, I know I told you that it didn't need anything.
But don't.
But let's be realistic now. She's gonna need a top end soon. The bottom end does make a funny noise, but if you look at
Only when you're not holding the
Yeah.
clutch in.
Yeah, but if we're going off of like a visual aspect, this
She's
is a banger,
fucking,
bro.
She's, yeah,
Banger.
exactly, dude. Ready to go.
Yeah, and for the price,
For the 2-stroke Thursdays?
for
The price?
that price though.
The price, exactly.
That price though.
5 G's.
5 racks. That's it.
That's
Look,
it. That's
you need
what.
to add another zero
Yeah,
to
here,
that.
let's peel it.
5,000.
Drop it down a little bit. Well, damn, dudes. Too bad I gotta go, but we'll find something else. And
I mean, honestly, this is really just like more of a shop piece. We don't even ride it. It's too much of a hassle. It's hard to kick.
in the way,
It's heavy.
wide, big, heavy. It's got a yellow freaking.
I mean, we
jug
just
on
like
it.
to look at her. She got a big old booty.
Yeah, and use her. That's
Okay.
that's most of the big booty part. You gotta use it. Oh no, I want that one too now. I finished.
Yeah.
What you gotta do, whenever you go to test ride it in front of them, just be like, I'm scared.
Yeah, well, the thing has so much powder. It has so much powder, dude.
Me so scared long time.
I'm so scared.
It's gonna twist it all.
I'm a scared puppy.
So guys, I ran out to Smiley's Racing. 5 gallons of Sunoco 110. 2 pails of the 2T40 to 1 to go in the Banshee and a couple other machines. So also got me some, obviously got to get you something to make it smell even better. Come on. Got this blueberry burnout blueberry. Hell yeah, that thing's gonna smell good. So it's 2-stroke Thursday, guys. Don't look over here. It's a 2-stroke. It's a shame. It's a shame. I know your name. 2-stroke freaking Thursday. Tomorrow, 4-stroke Friday kicks off, boys, with this YFZ build. Get up in there. Be ready for it. We're gonna rip this bike, have some fun, but we gotta talk to you guys about making power and fuel and what's worth the money and motherfucking shitty ass lip on it. That's probably good, dog. It's enough for a few runs, ain't it?
Yeah, maybe.
I can't believe how sorry that fucking pour is. A can of 110 over there. Usually I mix my fuel 32 to 1. Let's talk about some VP race gas real quick. This is race gas.
Look, it's 40.
Race gas, boys. It's 40 to 1. This actually is also cylinder lubricant. So we probably brought it.
Horsepower.
Yep. And so we probably brought it a little bit closer to 32 to 1. Pre-mixed, 5 gallons, 109. Synthetic oil in it. I'm not really sure what kind they use. They didn't say that. They don't say that.
And this is actually 80% of your daily vitamins and minerals.
Oh yeah.
This is made with actual blueberries.
Blueberry burnout. We
So
went
you
with
can-
this one.
I wouldn't advise you huff it, but you can, and
You
it's
can.
good for you. But I'm not giving y'all medical advice, but it is good for you, and it will help you flourish.
Just
a
pour
long
some
and
in
healthy
your
life.
pour some in your belly button.
Yeah, and you're exactly as well as other. Y'all know your belly button is the center of your body. You can put any kind of medication you want in there, and it'll instantly go through your body.
Over time.
That's where
Time
I put
release.
my NyQuil. I put my allergy medicine there.
Smokes his doobs out of there.
Yeah, sometimes every now and then.
Hits dabs off it.
That's not because really.
You got to build up to
I'm
that
like,
though.
oh, that's not me.
Yeah.
That's not me.
Thanks, Mom.
I'm right here.
We've got Sunoco 110 in here. You can always just take your can up there, and when you get 5 gallons, it's $10.99 a gallon. So it's a little cheaper that way. But it also doesn't have the oil in it. So dudes, we're almost done with the shop, and we'll have us a nice video of the build and everything else. And talking about builds, get up in there tomorrow because it's 4-stroke Friday. We're just starting this out, and we got a full motor rebuild on this YFZ. It's gonna post Friday, so I know that Blake
I'm gonna do a predator swap.
Blake ain't even gonna show up Friday, even though we did the work all week.
Whoa,
but if the
that's
video's
payday.
dropping Friday, if it's see, I try to make 4-stroke
Getting
Friday.
a check Friday. 4-chode Friday.
Well, he doesn't show up on Mondays, anyways. Let's just do 4-stroke
I don't
Mondays.
do Monday or Friday or Wednesday midweek. You feel me?
Any day that ends with Y, he's
I
also
don't-
usually
I'm
busy.
drinking and I ain't working.
right. You're supposed to keep going, bro. You can't make it up this.
I'm just trying to turn around at this point so I can go the other way.
Why didn't you just keep going?
I didn't know that there's a way to get out down there.
Yeah, where we cross over there all the time. There goes that trap. What up, boys? Two-stroke Thursday. David's here. He's got his Banshee. We're gonna see if it's even.
We're gonna get up in his.
He might have to turn it off. He might have to stop riding it after this.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be embarrassing.
It's gonna be. You're gonna see that Banshee running away with its tail tucked.
Bro, should we just go put 110 in both these? Just to, yeah, that's how he be doing.
I mean, but
How much you got?
I mean, but honestly, like, why? What's the point?
Listen, you hear it over there?
Just to sit
Sounds
on
like he's driving a railroad spike. Clink,
He is.
clink, clink. Hitting that foot peg on that bench, boy. So we should ride over. Let's roll up on his no starting ass and give him hell. All right, he's asking for it. Man, sounds like you're driving a railroad spike over here. Why you keep kicking the peg? I don't know why it's, just need some starting fluid? Even trying.
Is that a Narnia kick on your leg?
Fuck, it's an Avatar.
Oh, I mean Avatar. It's Narnia. That's how much I know about that. He's got like a wardrobe tattooed on him, like the fucking. What's his name? Osland?
I'm not sure, dude. I've never seen
never
it.
seen
I know what you're
Narnia?
talking about. Have you seen it, bro?
Yeah, I've seen Narnia.
Reverse! Traverse! Now this is a no-brake situation.
Oh, this has no one.
I think it has front, but very shitty ones. Once it warms up, it's pretty good. That's pathetic. Flat. Flat. Front wheels look like they're coming off, dude. Let's just peep at our ball joints. While we're at it. They're good. I was worried about you there for a minute. Think she'll rip the city over here?
Oh yeah.
God, that thing sounds like it's just full of loose change.
Oh yeah.
Blew it up and shit. Blew it up.
A little bit.
Don't let her die.
Oh, dude. Oh. Damn. Yeah. Skim the pond.
So, I guess here's where we're at, boys. He got the thing sparking. So, a best of 3 with the Can-Am, best of 3 with the 400 EX. And And then maybe the fighting chicken, we'll get out there and see what's going on. What'd you say, horn? The stop chicken.
Which one's the stop chicken?
The dinosaur chicken nugget.
Yeah,
The dino nugget.
Yeah.
Two-stroke Thursday, boys. Get up in there. You good? You good? 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Breaks up when you redline it. 1, 2, 3. Get up in there, guys, and watch tomorrow. It's gonna be 4-stroke Friday type of thing. YFZ 450 rebuild, dude. So get up in there. We appreciate you.